chariots sank, the water moved. Miriam stood with a lifted hand, seen the mighty work of the Lord so grand. Moses sang what the Lord had done. Pharaoh's grip was overdone. Feet started tapping in the sand. Joy came shaking through the land. Timbrel in her hand, heart beating the ground. Every saved soul rise, hear that freedom sound.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Dance for the Lord.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Lift up your timbrel.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
He made a way.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Exodus praise. She led the women out in praise. White foam shining in the morning haze.
Voice and motion,
Fire and light. Thankful hearts in the holy fight.
no more chains.
On Israel's road, that lifted every load. Moses sang and Miriam joined. One praise, one power, one accord. Timbrel in her hand, joy under her feet. Every saved soul sing, feel the victory beat. Oh,
Dance, Miriam, dance.
dance for the Lord.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Lift up your timber.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
He made a way.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Exodus praise. Oh, when the waters part and the burden falls away, we will sing like Miriam. We will dance and say, you are strong, you are good, you still lead us through. The same hand that split the sea still carries me and you.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Dance for the Lord.
Dance, Miriam, dance.
Lift up your timber.